exams often bring stress, but some students change that stress into success. And आज हम उन्हीं students से मिलने आए हैं, the CBSE Class 10 Board Toppers of Sri Jalaram International School. So आज उनसे मिलते हैं और जानते हैं कि कैसे उन्होंने सिर्फ एग्जाम्स क्लियर नहीं किए हैं, बल्कि बेंचमार्क सेट किए हैं. 94.3 माय एफएम से मैं हूं आरजे हर्षिता आपके साथ एंड आई एम एट श्री जलाराम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल विद द प्रिंसिपल एंड स्कूल टॉपर ऑफ क्लास 10 बोर्ड्स. आई रियली वांट टू नो द सक्सेस mantra. मैम,
Hitting bullseye.
Consistency, effort,
Self-belief.
self-confidence.
and with all of this, congratulations once again to Sri Jalaram International School for the amazing results. So we are with the young achiever of Sri Jalaram International School. Please tell us about yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahi Kakadia. I am from Sri Jalaram International School. I have topped in my school with a percentage of 95.8%.
So you did top this school and congratulations for that.
Thank you.
But I am sure कि कुछ subjects होते हैं जो कि बड़ी challenging होते हैं and there were some subjects जो कि आपके favorite हो गए. Tell us about that.
मेरे favorite subjects were science and maths, and challenging subjects were languages, of course. Like, I do not like languages.
Okay. So there are so many pressure during the exams. How did you handle that?
Actually, of course, there was a pressure that 10th boards है, boards clear करने हैं, तभी admission मिलेगा. There was such kind of pressure, but I took it in a positive way कि हाँ ठीक है, 10th boards है, करना तो है ही.
Okay, so there are always some special teacher, special mentor with us. Do you want to give a special credit to any teacher or mentor?
Of course. My school teachers were the best for me, like Rachi ma'am, she taught me physics. Neha ma'am, she taught me biology and chemistry. Seema ma'am, Jha sir, they taught me languages. Khushbu ma'am, she taught me SST.
Of course. And there are some teachers now who are always special and especially, you know, took care of us about the subjects that we are not good at. But now we are here कि हम सब कुछ अच्छा कर लिए and we scored good. So is there anything in board exams that you want to go back and change?
Of course, yes. I think I need to practice some difficult questions in mathematics. And if I could do that, I would have scored much well in maths.
But you did amazing and congratulations once again. What is the one message you want to give all the kids who are preparing for boards?
I think don't take much pressure. Just stay consistent and stay well disciplined in 10th boards.
And you could score amazing. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Jia Dharmesh Rana and I am from Sri Jalaram International School. And I got second rank at 95.6% in my school in 10th CBSE board exams.
Okay, it's really nice. मतलब amazing जिया, congratulations first of all.
Thank you, ma'am.
सबसे पहले मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ आपसे, what was your overall experience of class 10th boards जो आप preparation कर रहे थे? क्या था, कैसा था?
Like it was a little different from 9th standard and other standards that I have studied. So like it was a totally new form of studies that we have started in 10th standard from 9th standard. So ऐसा लगता था जैसे बहुत नया है और 10th का प्रेशर भी था. बोर्ड्स एग्जाम है तो सब बोलते थे कि बोर्ड्स है तो पढ़ो, दिन रात मेहनत करो. बहुत अलग फीलिंग आती थी. बट एट स्टार्ट सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा था. स्कूल में से टीचर्स का बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट था. प्लस पेरेंट्स तो हमेशा एक इमोशनल सपोर्ट थे हमारा. तो इट वॉज अ लिटिल टफ स्टार्ट बट इट वॉज गोइंग a little good, like
अच्छा गया ऑब्वियसली, तभी इतना अमेजिंग रिजल्ट अब आया है. अच्छा, सेल्फ डाउट तो आया होगा इन सब के बीच में. हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दैट?
बहुत बार होता था ऐसा. लाइक व्हेन वी गिव्स एग्जाम, सो बहुत सारे एग्जाम होते थे 10th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो ऐसा लगता था कभी कभी कम मार्क्स आ जाते तो डिमोटिवेट हो जाते थे. टीचर्स ऐसा बोलते थे कि हम तो टफ ही निकालेंगे तभी तो आपका अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा. तो वो एक मोटिवेशन भी रहता था कि हाँ हम अच्छा कर रहे हैं, इतना टफ पेपर है. तो
So how did you balance your school, tuition and self-study all together?
it was first difficult for me because time management is most important in such cases. So मेरा फर्स्ट ऐसा था कि बहुत होमवर्क मिलता था. ट्यूशंस में स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत देते थे कि बोर्ड से तो तुम्हें होमवर्क पूरे दिन रात करके मेहनत करनी है. तो ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं हो पाएगा. बट फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसा एडजस्टमेंट होने लगा.
हो गया एंड बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली हुआ. अच्छा, जितने भी बच्चे हमें देख रहे हैं, आप हमारे साथ हो, यानी हमारे साथ यू नो यंग अचीवर जिन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा स्कोर किया है वो हमारे साथ है. सबको बता दो, व्हाट डिड यू डिड वन डे बिफोर द एग्जाम कि बस अब ये कर देती हूँ, कल एग्जाम जाके देना है.
एक्चुअली हमारे जो मैम थे स्कूल के, तो उन्होंने तो बोला था कि तुम लोग बस एंजॉय करो, एक दिन पहले ऐसे चिल मारो ताकि हम अच्छे से तुम एग्जाम दे पाओ. बट ऑफ कोर्स एक टेंशन, एक स्ट्रेस तो बन ही जाता है कि कल एग्जाम है, क्या होगा. तो मैंने ऐसे ही मतलब अपने फ्रेंड से भी बात की एक दिन पहले कि कैसा है सब, ऐसा बेस्ट ऑफ लक सबको बोला. सो वो अच्छा था और बस भगवान का नाम ले रहे थे हम तो एक दिन पहले.
और इसी के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा जिया का रिजल्ट आ चुका है. वंस अगेन मेनी मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू जिया. थैंक यू
मैम.
Hello everyone, I am Pranali Udidra and I have scored 93.8% in my 10th class 2026 and I have secured a third position all over my school, that is Sri Jalaram International School.
ओके अमेजिंग. कंग्रेचुलेशंस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अच्छा, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ प्रणाली कि हाउ डिड योर पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स सपोर्ट यू ड्यूरिंग द क्लास 10 बोर्ड्स प्रिपरेशन?
They were like my backbone, especially my teachers in my school. They were like, they taught me how to study and they were amazing when it comes to explanation, doubt solving. And my parents were also my biggest supporter, thanks to them. And they supported me with everything. And whenever I had downfalls and everything, they just motivated me that you could do much, much better. And I did.
Wow, amazing. And you did. अच्छा, I want to know what were the strategies जो कि आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा स्कोर करने में हेल्प किया है?
Well, I always revised what the class teacher always like taught us. Or the day when class takes place, I always go home and then I open the book and I'll review my notes, and that would help much better. No backlog at all. So
Wow.
Revision is the key.
अच्छा, there is too much stress about the boards exams जो भी kids देख रहे हैं we have. So how did you manage the stress during the exams?
Well, for me, honestly, if I say, I was not taking that much stress. I always liked being free and I also achieved my hobbies. I have had fun in like my 2025 to 2026 years. And so I had taken positive stress. That is the key.
So what basically Pranali is saying कि stress लेना जरूरी है but take positive stress.
Yes.
Correct. So Pranali, इतना कुछ हो गया. Now you have scored amazing in board exams. Now what are your future aspirations? Goals क्या है आपके?
Well, I always wanted medical field. So I would most probably be a doctor. Like my mom is also a biological person, so she always taught me how to, take interest in science. So I want to achieve in medical field. Alright.
Amazing, and you are going to achieve. All the best for your future and many many congratulations again. What will be your last message to everyone?
My last message to everyone is, don't take 10th as like this is the final and this is what I have to achieve. 10th is not that hard if you see. It's just the pressure and the stress that everybody gives you. Just shut it all out and just give your best, do your best, believe in yourself.
Amazing confidence with Pranali. Thank you so much for being here.
Hello everyone, myself Diva Nitesh Goel from Sri Jalaram International School, and I secured 4th rank in my school with 93.4%.
Amazing. So firstly, I want to know that how did you stay motivated throughout the year? पूरे साल कैसे motivated रहते हो आप?
So basically about motivating, I would always thank my teachers and my parents and my friends who always supported me that I can do everything I want and I can achieve whatever I wished for. My main goal was to make them proud, so this was my best motivation.
Okay. So did peer competition motivates you or distracts you?
So if honestly I would say it never distracted me, it always motivated me, as I always wished for a healthy competition so that I can be persistent and consistent, so that even if I score less or more, I would not get overconfident or I would not get disheartened. So peer pressure was really very motivating for me.
Amazing. So मुझे ये चीज literally जाननी है कि how was that feeling when you saw your result?
So the feeling when I saw my result, it was very emotional and it was very overwhelming. My parents and my friends were so proud on me, and even I was like that, yeah, the whole year I did hard work and my hard work paid off in my results.
And it really paid off well. I really want to know to all the kids also कि आपने एक दिन before the exam क्या किया था? How did you prepare yourself?
Just one day before the exam, I was really very nervous that this was board exam and everyone keeps pressuring on that it's board exam, board exam. So just one day before, I just revised whatever was taught in my school, whatever I just learned in my school with the whole 1 year. I solved the previous year's questions and basically मैंने भगवान का नाम लिया और मैंने बोला अब जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा.
और बहुत ही अच्छा किया और भगवान ने तथास्तु बोल दिया. सो थैंक यू सो मच, कंग्रेचुलेशंस आपके अमेजिंग रिजल्ट के लिए एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू श्री जलाराम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ऑल्सो. थैंक यू. वी आर विद मैम मिस राची अमोक कानिक मैम, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ श्री जलाराम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. मैम, हम जानना चाहते हैं कि जब रिजल्ट आया था, क्योंकि ये पहला बैच था, हाउ डिड यू फेल्ट? ये क्लास 10 बोर्ड के रिजल्ट्स देख के कैसा लगा था आपको?
It was pretty exciting, and it was a 2 years of journey of the leadership to produce the first batch, and giving the crown to the school, not only for 10th standard but equally for 12th science. But 10th was really amazing because it was the core batch of SJIS coming up to me with the mentorship and the team who has worked hard to have this wonderful result as 100% result to be associated with the team members.
Amazing. And the hard work paid actually.
True.
So मैम, ये जानना चाहती हूँ मैं, श्री जलाराम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल सिर्फ अकेडमिकली नहीं बल्कि बच्चों को मेंटली भी बहुत प्रिपेयर किया है क्लास 10 बोर्ड्स में. कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट दैट?
Indeed, it's not only academic vertical which comes up for the betterment of the citizen, I would say. Producing Indian citizens across from the organization, it matters a lot for a leader. And producing the batches for academic vertical, but it also means to say that skilled education is upcoming too high. So I believe that when technical skills, hands-on approach, and lot of technicality, including the conceptual knowledge, is inculcated in the kids, then these days we have overwhelming response from the students and teachers.
For sure. So ma'am, I really want to ask, what one message from your side उन लोगों के लिए जो लोग बोर्ड्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं?
I believe strongly for secondary and senior secondary children that time management, self-discipline and consistency always shines, and all the best children, be you and give your best efforts. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and many congratulations
Thank you
again
so much.
for the amazing board results from Sri Jalaram International School.
Thank you so much.